How to react to WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually react to WhatsApp messages. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp. Go ahead and simply either download it or update the app if there is an update button available. Once you update the app, open it up, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And let's say that you want to simply actually open and react to any of these chats over here. So let me just go ahead and then select a particular chat, let's say for the context. Now you can also react to any of these messages. So what you want to do is you have to simply long press on this particular message. So if you want to react to this, you have to long press on it. So as you can see, let me select it again, long press on a particular message, and you'll enable all these reactions. Now by default, you could just go ahead and then select any of these reactions from this list. However, if you want to change the reaction to some other or add a custom emoji to it, well, that is also possible. For that, in order to remove this reaction, we will simply select that particular same reaction again. So what I will do is I will long press on it, and you can see this plus icon next to these emojis. So tap on this plus icon. Now from all these options, you can just select any of the emojis which you want. So just go ahead and select any of these, and as you select it, you can just go ahead and select any or one of these messages over here, and you can see our reaction has been added. In order to remove it, long press on it and select that particular reaction again. So just go ahead and then select any of the reactions which you want to in this case. And this is simply how you can react to messages on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.